mikfitfam, what's good? IGTV, Facebook, YouTube, how y'all doing? Well, it's been brought to my attention about burpees. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show different ways you can modify doing a burpee. I know starting off as a beginner, you could struggle with burpees, or you might just be an older person that just ain't got time for those regular burpees. But I'm gonna show you a few ways you can do burpees with a chair and without a chair. So I'm in a gym. I don't know if there's a chair or anything. Oh, well, I got a chair, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into different modified ways you could do a burpee using a chair and without a chair. So let's get into it. All right, so here's what your standard burpee looks like. Boom, boom, push up, boom, boom, boom. So that's your standard burpee. So I'm gonna go ahead and show some modified ways you can do a burpee on the ground without a chair. So from here on, I'll probably have a quick descriptive caption along with the video. That's it. I hope these modified versions of burpees are beneficial for you, and I can't wait for you to progress into that actual standard burpee. Remember, you only got one life. Stay home will be great. Love yourself so you can love somebody.